You can edit out some of the music and
Yeah, I'll cut it down.
yeah, and you can put like text over it.
How about we pause it?
Actually, it doesn't matter if I get face
Yeah.
in it. Here.
Yeah.
Just give me that footage. I'll record getting in there.
All right.
Unless you want me to give you my footage with the.
I'll record some.
So much footage.
Once we get off this highway, or this.
Cannot proceed to use your hand to touch. cannot proceed to use your finger to make contact.
Or don't touch.
Forgetting.
Oh. No, not me. Not me.
Yes, yes.
Not me.
Oh no!
Not me.
Please kill me. Yo. Yo. Hey.
Just kind of keep it steady. Remember, this is going on your YouTube channel.
Hi, dudes. What is this recording? I'm recording. No saying real names. Excalibur and Evian Colvian.
Okay, Excalibur.
Excalibur game.
Okay, where's these cool cars?
We're just
Oh,
about
is that a Ferrari, I see?
Is that a Ferrari?
A Ferrari.
Unless you need that Nissan one now.
Alright, here we go.
Hunt Valley Town Center. Rename
Okay,
it
I
to
see a Jaguar.
Horsepower.
Hunt Valley Horsepower Center.
There's a Porsche. There's a Porsche.
Oh, look, they're going to show off. They're going to show off the ricey Porsche. That's not even modernized.
It's not even a ricer. Everything is a ricer for you.
No,
There's
that
a
Porsche is
hybrid.
ugly.
There's gonna be a
Ugly.
new hybrid car. Oh, they're turning the wrong way.
It can't be a racer if it's not.
Here, in the camera.
Alright, boys.
We're about to enter Hunt
But
Valley
you
Horsepower.
gotta keep the RPM low.
Oh yeah, but you don't have any.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, there are actually some people here.
I told you.
Cool. We are
Yeah.
pretty early, right?
Is it
No
an
potato.
LDRA teal?
No, we are pretty early. Alright, there you go.
Wait.
We have
Guys, I'm gonna try to. It's a Skyline, a Nissan Skyline. GTS.
Oh man.
This is a Sky.
Nice.
Wait, does that mean this is a GTR?
Yeah. I think that.
Good GTR, guys. Look over there.
All right.
a little Porsche.
Yeah.
It's not crowded yet.
Not quite crowded. I mean, we did get here kind of early. All right, let's see. So we also
Your dad and your brother are still in your car.
we just like we left
Get
them.
them on face.
All right, we have a WRX. I think this is.
Why didn't I just look down? Forgot your
Yep,
face.
WRX.
Look at this hood scoop.
Oh, look at that. There's a car.
Kind
WRX STI. And then we have another WRX. Oop, yep. Side mounted plate, side mounted plate. That makes like everything look cooler. Oh, look at that. There's another car. Yeah, see, I told you, we got here early.
Guys.
And then look, here's another WRX.
Oh, is that?
Again, side mounted plate.
Is that
Perfect.
Wait, is that a? What's that? Those are like takedown lights almost in the front.
What? What?
Guys, look at that.
It's like a military truck.
Look at that.
So we have a WRX.
That's a Civic. That's a
And,
Civic. Look at that old Honda Civic.
It's a Honda. Nice. Alrighty, here, let's go down this way.
Type R. Type R.
Type
for
R.
rice. I wonder if they named that Type R for rice.
No.
RS3.
Alright.
Audi RS3. What's that?
We got RS3
Oh, look at
Quattro. And look, wow, that garbage truck is going really fast. Look at that. Nice Toyo tires.
The ride height on this thing.
Yeah. Fumes.
Yeah.
No, it smells amazing. It's Corvette. Quad exhausts.
That is dedication.
Nice.
I
respect
that.
It's a pretty cool engine.
Interior's got a handbrake. Oh gosh, I got my face in this. That's another thing I gotta do.
Edit it out. Edit it. Another BMW. And there's the owner's car. Is this an M4? This is an M4. Look at that. M4.
The brakes. Guys. We got golden brakes.
Oh, let me see him. Let me see. This might be. Yo! Come back here!
Well, they have a roll cage.
Yeah, M4 GTS. That's what I thought. Don't get too close to it.
Guys,
Look at that.
carbon fiber.
Huh? Yeah, that'd be a car right there coming.
Yeah, we got
Corvette.
Oh god, it's so cold.
Interesting. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. It's a
Excalibur,
modified.
is my lens foggy?
Let me look. I think there's like 1 or 2 specks on it. Oh, look, here comes the Corvette.
Another C06 or 66?
C6.
Yes.
You might be a little slow, but you were in a low gear. You're challenging.
Nice. Alright, here. Let's go over here. Look at this. Modified BMW. Those white rims look really nice.
Yeah.
No front plate. Carbon fiber splitter.
Tesla over there.
I have an old Mercedes. Very nice. Oh, there's a Mustang we drove past again. Some cars coming. I got a Camaro and a Mustang.
Where?
Yeah, parking in over there. Nice. All right, let's go check out. Let's go check out this Porsche Cayman S. Yeah, Porsche Cayman.
I have to get myself too close, guys. I don't want to do too much editing. Look at that interior. I want to get up closer, but my face is.
Oh wow, my face is there. I don't need to do it. I already did a face reveal. Oh my gosh, there's a Ford Transit over there with the racing stripes. I mean that's pretty cool. There's that Z06 that pulled in. Whew. It's cold. It is like really cold. Here's another Mustang. Alright. Yeah, nothing is low. Nothing is low.
So cold, guys.
BMW. It's a BMW.
I think it's still warm. Guys, look at this engine bay.
That does look pretty nice. There's a BMW.
Look at that rolling.
Very cool. Whew, it's freezing. Can't feel my hands.
Maybe we'll get back in our car.
We could do that. At some point, yeah, we should just, go into the car and warm up for a sec. Mustang GT, Camaro's Hot Wheels. Yeah, I think they made like Camaros that were like Hot Wheels versions of something. Like they made.
Let's get an interior shot.
It's really nice, dude. Stripe. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, that's coming to the car show. Like that.
Pontiac.
Nice.
Excalibur.
Oh wow.
Crown Vic.
That must be coming over here.
Looks like a Crown Vic.
Yo, it's lowered. It's lowered.
Isn't that a Crown Vic?
Yeah, possibly.
Oh.
Alright, let's go to this other row. Alright, we're good. Man.
Guys, we need to get back in that car. Or sit on the engine or something.
There goes the Skyline.
Bye, Skyline. We love you.
You love it. Mitsubishi with pop-ups.
Where?
Right there. And man, alright, we seriously need to go
We're
like
gonna end the clip
warm up.
after we do the Jag. Look at the Jag.
Yeah, and then go warm up. Alright, we got a Mustang and a Jaguar. Lamborghini!
Oh my gosh, guys, there's a Lamborghini.
See, I told you we'd see a Lamborghini.
Let's get that
Lambo.
I have never seen a Lamborghini. Look at that. Never seen a Lamborghini. Look at that. That guy. Come on, Excalibur. We're even going to get a Lambo.
Ha ha ha, very funny. I'm coming. Look at that. I told you.
Excalibur.
I told you, man.
Just give me a high five, please.
High five. All right, that hurt my hands. That hurt.
Look at this Lambo. That's
Nice.
That's an Aventador.
That's an
It's an Huracan.
I can't. I got
That is cool. That is cool. Oh, look, that's some more cars coming. Oh my gosh, there's like an entire line of them.
Excalibur. You got
Just look at this. Just look. Look at all of these. The entire line and then I'm raising
Excalibur, look.
No, I'm recording those.
All these GTIs.
I know, why are they parking
guys.
next to us?
Look at that. Because they can. Look at that. Lambo.
Amazing. I don't think I've
Wanna
ever
go
seen
get
that many GTOs.